guys, David here from the Property Centre, and I'm here to present this recently refurbished ground floor flat in Taunton, Wellington, complete with front garden and on-street parking. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So there we are, guys. That was the one-bedroom ground floor flat in Taunton, Wellington. If you do like the look of the property, would like to arrange a viewing or make an application, or indeed if you have your own property you'd like a valuation on, please don't hesitate to contact us at the office.